If you're a man over 60 and you've noticed your morning erections becoming weaker, less frequent, or completely absent, you are not alone. But here's what most men don't realize. This isn't just about aging. It's a sign that your blood flow, nervous system, and hormone balance are slowing down in ways that can and should be addressed. And the shock? You can start fixing it today, not with medication or surgery, but by using just your own 2 hands. I'm Dr. James, a men's health specialist with over 30 years of experience helping older men restore their vitality, confidence, and intimacy. I'm going to share one of the most underappreciated yet scientifically sound techniques I've seen. It's simple, safe, and takes just a few minutes each day. There are 3 powerful points on your hand that influence your blood circulation, nervous system, and sleep cycle. Most men never activate them, but once you know how, you'll feel a difference. These points aren't myths. They're tied to your heart rhythm, emotional stability, and melatonin production. In this video, I'll show you where these points are, how to stimulate them, and how combining them with small habits can improve your morning erections, sleep, and energy. Before we finish, I'll reveal a mistake most men make that cancels out the benefits, and how to avoid it. So stay with me. What your body needs is in your hands. If you haven't subscribed yet, click that button and turn on the bell so you won't miss tips designed to help men over 60 feel stronger, sleep better, and restore vitality. If you find this helpful, type 1 in the comments. If not, type 0. Your feedback helps me create better content. Advice for the elderly. Let's begin with why your palm holds the key to better blood flow and stronger morning erections. This isn't theory, it's rooted in science about how the nervous system, blood vessels, and pressure points communicate. Your palm is one of the most neurologically rich areas, with over 17,000 nerve endings connecting to your central nervous system, cardiovascular system, and organs. This makes your hand a switchboard for regulating blood pressure, calming the nervous system, and increasing circulation. As we age, communication between the brain, blood vessels, and reproductive system weakens, making erections less reliable. Your palm, when stimulated, can reactivate these lines. The parasympathetic nervous system, responsible for rest, recovery, and arousal, can be accessed through your hand. Targeted pressure sends signals to your heart, blood vessels, and reproductive organs to relax and restore blood flow. Many men over 60 have tension in their hands and chest, reducing blood flow. Stiff hands reflect poor circulation in extremities, including the penis. Releasing this tension through palm stimulation is like opening a valve. You don't need pills, you need flow, and your palm can restore it naturally. Studies show hand points lead to changes in blood pressure, heart rate, and vascular dilation. That's why acupressure and reflexology work. Science supports the connection between hand pressure and circulation. Your palm isn't passive, it's powerful. When used with intention, you may feel changes where you never expected. Let's explore the first pressure point, known as the heart of the palm. The first point is Lao Gong, known in Eastern medicine as the heart of the palm. It lies at the center of your palm, below the space between your index and middle fingers, along the pericardial meridian, influencing heart rhythm, emotional state, and vascular relaxation. For men over 60, stress and tension are culprits behind circulation problems and weakened erections. Lao Gong helps shift your nervous system from stress to recovery mode, activating the parasympathetic system for rest, digestion, and arousal. Pressing this point daily calms thoughts, lowers blood pressure, and promotes pelvic blood flow, especially in the morning. To stimulate Lao Gong, find the soft spot in your palm's center. Use your opposite thumb to press gently but firmly in a clockwise circular motion. Breathe deeply to signal relaxation. Spend 1 to 2 minutes here, waking up a communication hub in your body. Patients report warmth in their hands, chest, or lower abdomen after days of this. Others sleep better or notice stronger, more frequent morning erections. Lao Gong isn't magic but a trigger reminding your body how to respond. Another point, smaller and easier to miss, acts as an emotional release switch. Paired with Lao Gong, it reduces mental tension, blocking blood flow. Let's move to that next. Point 2. Shao Fu is the emotional reset switch, in the soft groove between your pinky and ring finger. For men over 60, it's a key pressure point. Your circulatory and sexual health is affected by daily emotional states. Stress, frustration, and fear settle in your body, especially in your chest, gut, and hands. Shao Fu influences emotional regulation, helping your nervous system process overload, reduce tension, and open blood vessels at rest. In fight or flight mode, common in older men, blood vessels constrict, and sexual function is deprioritized. Stimulating Shao Fu signals safety, allowing blood flow to return. Find Shao Fu in the fleshy webbing below your pinky and ring finger knuckles. Press gently with your opposite thumb for 30 to 60 seconds, breathing deeply, then switch hands. Slight tenderness is normal. It means you found the spot. Consistently using Shao Fu calms emotional storms, helping you sleep soundly, feel grounded, and reduce arousal interruptions. Releasing emotional tension rewards you with circulation and clarity. One more point links your hand to sleep, hormonal rhythm, and recovery, vital for men who wake tired or struggle to sleep. Let's explore it. Point 3. Pineal reflex zone, the sleep switch. If you wake without energy or morning vitality, the pineal gland, producing melatonin for your sleep-wake cycle, may be key. A reflex point on your palm, near the base, connects to this gland through the nervous system. Called the pineal reflex zone, it restores rhythm, promotes sleep, and supports testosterone and morning erections. Located at the center of your palm's base, above the wrist, this spot balances rest and performance. Poor sleep and disrupted hormones reduce strength, focus, and sexual health. Stimulating this point recalibrates sleep hormones naturally. Tap the area with your index or middle finger, 60 light taps, pause for 30 seconds, and repeat. This triggers a parasympathetic response, signaling the brain to restore balance. With consistency, men report faster sleep, refreshed mornings, and stronger erections. Combining this with Lao Gong and Shao Fu supports emotional health, circulation, and hormonal rhythm. It's a quiet practice with loud results. Now, how do you maximize these points? A few small habits can double your results starting tonight. Booster tips to maximize results. While pressing these points improves blood flow, sleep, and vitality, simple habits boost progress. These fit easily into your routine, enhancing pressure point sensitivity, hormonal balance, and circulation. Soak your hands in warm water for 3 to 5 minutes before acupressure to relax muscles and open capillaries. After drying, apply citrus-scented lotion, orange or lemon, to deepen relaxation. Eat a small banana with walnuts 30 minutes before your routine. Bananas provide magnesium and potassium for muscle relaxation and vascular health. Walnuts support sleep and testosterone with melatonin and fats. Tap each fingertip on a wooden surface for 30 seconds before pressing points to release nerve tension. Some feel tingling, making pressure points more effective. At night, wear thin cotton gloves to retain warmth, supporting overnight healing. These steps create an environment for your body to respond deeply. It's like giving your system a support team, circulation, hormones, and nerves working together. When will you feel the difference? Changes are gradual, real, and rewarding. Let's look at week-by-week progress. What to expect, week-by-week progress. This method doesn't work like a pill. It supports your body's natural rhythm gradually. When done daily, most men see changes within 3 weeks, building over time. In the first week, you may sleep better, waking less and feeling rested. The pineal reflex zone boosts melatonin, and your nervous system unwinds. Occasional morning erections may return, showing blood flow and hormone reactivation. By the second week, morning erections become more frequent and natural. You may notice more energy, focus, and interest in intimacy. Hands feel warmer, signaling improved circulation. By the third week, many sleep through the night, wake with stronger erections, and feel confident. Better blood flow, balanced hormones, and reduced tension create a ripple effect. You're living better using just your hands. Results need consistency, not perfection. With booster tips, benefits multiply. Don't be discouraged by subtle progress. Your body knows how to heal. Let's end with a message that may change how you see aging and yourself. Final doctor's message: hope is in your hands. You've learned a simple, natural method in your control. 3 pressure points, a few minutes a day, no pills, no procedures. Just your hands and consistency. As a doctor with over 30 years experience, I can tell you, your body wants to heal, balance, and reignite. You're not broken or too old, you just needed the right tools. Don't give up on your energy, strength, or self. Start today, commit for 3 weeks, and let your body prove what it can do. Coming up, I'll show an evening ritual to supercharge results overnight.